We are at Hampshire Holiday Parks in Wanaka. It is a campsite, and that space was filled up with vans last night, complete chucker. But also they do these little tiny homes, tiny cabins they were called, weren't they? And it's really quite nice. So first of all you get the deck with a view that looks like that. It was perfect last night with a glass of wine. Inside, these are quite new, the guy said when we checked in. These are the accommodation that come with shared bathrooms. So in other words, there's no bathroom in here. You have to walk across to the toilet block for all of those facilities, showers, etc. Even the toilet. Got the TV up there, although we could not get it to work last night, but never mind, we're not here for the TV. Microwave. 2 plates, 2 cups, 2 bowls. A little hot plate, induction hot plate. Toaster. Derek made us nice scrambled eggs this morning. Oh, I see there's a grater under there. £7. And then you've got cleaning up stuff provided. Of course, I have a fridge. You've got a couple of breakfast bar stools there. We didn't clear the side enough to use the... Got quite a comfy sofa. Place to charge all your stuff. And then just a wall, not a door, separating into quite a nice new big bed. There's not really any storage, but this bench has been really handy. And can I just say, packing cubes on a trip when you get in and out of your car multiple times, literally salvation. My stuff is all separated and I just bring those in, leave the suitcase in the car. There is air conditioning and heating, although the air conditioning didn't seem to really be that strong, but we didn't really need it. And then from the bed, you've got the view out. I think he's just going over to the toilet block, which is that building just there. It's not very far, although in the middle of the night, not terribly convenient either. But this accommodation was, I think, 145 New Zealand dollars. Was really reasonable for Wanaka, because some of those hotels were very expensive. We quite like staying in these campgrounds. Most of the time, to be fair, we're not in the accommodation very long, but this morning, just because of this lovely deck, we've kind of had a slow start, read a book and everything before we go out. Nice little kids play area there. Just walking out now and down to the lake. There's reception. There's the park, the holiday park. And the lake's just through there. Just walk down to that road there and go left. It's literally minutes to the lake.